Five thieves were in a tavern and they overheard a drunken shopkeeper talking about his large collection of diamonds. Later that night, one of the thieves broke into his shop. He had a bit of a conscience, so he only took half of the diamonds. But on his way out, he decided to take one more. A while later, the second thief arrived. He also took half of the remaining of the diamonds plus one more. And then later, the third thief arrived and he also took half plus one more. And then the fourth thief arrived and he also took half plus one more. And then when the fifth thief arrived, he discovered that there were no diamonds left. So the question is, how many diamonds did the shopkeeper have at the start? So in order to solve this, let's start with X diamonds. So the first thief is going to take half of the diamonds and he's going to take away one more. There'll be this many remaining. Then the second thief will show up. He's going to take all of these diamonds that are in here, cut those in half, and take away one more. So there's that many remaining. The third thief will then take all of this stuff, cut it in half, and he'll take one more. So we have this many remaining. And then the fourth thief is going to take all of this stuff, cut it in half, and he's going to take away one more. So then when the fifth thief arrives, he's going to find 0 diamonds, or in other words, all of this is equal to 0. Here we have an equation and we can solve for X. So we can add 1 to both sides. These cancel and this side becomes 1. Scoot this over. Multiply both sides by 2. These cancel and this side becomes 2. And scoot this up. Add 1 to both sides. These cancel. This side becomes 3. Then multiply both sides by 2. These cancel and this side becomes 6. Scoot this up. Add 1 to both sides. These cancel. This becomes 7. Scoot this over. Multiply both sides by 2. These cancel. This becomes 14. Scoot it up. Add 1 to both sides. These cancel. This is 15. Scoot it over. Multiply both sides by 2. This side is X and this side is 30. The shopkeeper started with 30 diamonds. And if we want to check our work, we can plug in 30 up here. The first thief took those 30 diamonds, cut them in half to get 15, and then took one more away. Then the second thief took those 14, cut them in half, but also took one more away to give us 6. Then the third thief shows up, takes those 6 diamonds, cuts them in half to get 3, and subtracts 1 to give us 2. Then the fourth thief shows up, takes those 2 remaining diamonds, takes half of them, but also takes one more, and so 0 are going to remain. And it checks out, so 30 is the answer.